I'll come out.
Yeah, I'll come out too, but I'm making a break for it. Run!
Wait, can I go out?
I was in the hospital for a while, which is technically the psychiatric hospital. So technically, there run out with those metal cups and the lighting stuff.
I'll film.
So technically, there are criminals there.
Oh God, that's wonderful.
But not where I was. This is like, it's very pretty.
Oh
I'll try to work that! My God. Oh, never mind.
I missed that.
No, he's taking a piss.
Oh, it's really.
No, like, you know the music park with the buckets like that? Like, you get like a giant bucket of water, you stand under it, and it goes like,
Yeah.
like, and it's like that.
I usually stand and put my hands in my pockets, but I can't really do that. I know. And it's a full moon tonight, and it's raining.
Oh my God, what is going on?
But dude, like, no, but like, we looked around like we couldn't find each other.
No.
We're like looking around, and then we like looked like as if we finally saw each other. I like ran towards each other, and we're like, we like ran towards each other dramatically, and just like embraced and slid around, and then kicked in the rain. It was so funny.
Don't worry.
No, but the rain was hard.
I'm recording it. I'm recording it. Yeah.
Alex, don't get the car.
I'm not.
Imagine you still like socks in him.
Yeah, they are way actually.
No, imagine you still like.
No.
Someone take a picture of me and send it to me.
No.
I don't have my phone with me.
I'll go upstairs. I don't have my phone with me.
Don't you dare! Stop! Why are you touching me? God. Yeah, seriously though, don't joke about that.
I won't. Don't worry, I never joked about that actually.
Yeah, it's really not funny. Like, I know people who. My boyfriend actually won.
I'm gonna have to go out
My
there.
boyfriend actually won.
I didn't know.
I don't know if he's saying. I know, but it's still offensive. It's not really. It's not funny. I know I have a lot of friends who did who were too.
It's in the high school though.
Huh?
It's in the high school though. Whatever.
Yeah, I know.
And they actually in the art.
I feel like it's really offensive. Well, like he like it's really a terrible thing. So.
Can't you like this?
You can joke about murder. That's fine. But you can joke about murder because murder is okay.
Oh no.
No, the thing is, murder isn't something that people like survive generally.
Right
So
I'm okay.
generally, murder isn't something
Alright, can we
people
go inside
survive.
now? This is like.
So they don't have to live their whole life being like, one time I was murdered.